How to download MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Welcome exclusive trader. Join us in this step-by-step guide to download your trading platform seamlessly. Let's begin. Log into the client portal. Navigate to trading platforms in the left menu of your dashboard. Choose your preferred trading platform from MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Opt for Windows or Mac setup by clicking the download button or use the convenient live web trader option. For iOS or Android, you also have the option of scanning the QR code to download the platform. Once your trading platform is downloaded, initiate the setup and click on Next, provided that you have read the end-user license agreement. After installation, open the terminal and log in using your trading account credentials that are shared with you on your registered email ID. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded your trading platform and are all set to trade. For further support, chat with us or contact our client support executive. Thank you for choosing Exclusive Markets. Watch next to know how to register as PAM investor or manager.